So a lot of my guitars that I'm making are going to be, natural finish. I'm doing this guitar here for a friend of mine, and I'm having some trouble with the lacquer. This spot here looked like that spot, but so I'm able to get rid of it, so I'm not worried about it. But still, it's a pain in the butt. So painting is just not, not having ideal conditions. The back is looking really good and everything, and everything else. But even this is looking. It's just because of the moisture under the lacquer. So anyway, it's a pain, and I'm working on that. So, and we're gonna get there. But so on this guitar here, the Rickenbacker, I'm doing natural, as you can see. The use of this is actually a cherry neck, and then I did a veneer with the red alder and the spalted tamarind, which is the same as what's on the body here. But I'm going to go ahead and do this the same way as over here. But I was thinking about doing the back, a bit darker. And since this is cherry, it's got a high tannin compound, and this is basically the same wood here. And so I did this mixture. It's almost a week old, but it's basically a double aught or a quadruple aught steel wool in white vinegar, and it's been sitting for a week, and you can see it's almost broken down. And what it does apparently is it ebonizes wood. This is the cherry after I rubbed it on there. It looks really cool. This is just with that on there, nothing else. I could probably even get a redder undertone with, maybe some linseed oil or something like that, or even just some, what's it called? The stuff you use for guns. True oil. Yeah, that. So actually, that's what I actually used on the back here, was true oil. And it's got a little red, so I might have red undertones. But I just wanted to show that to people, if you're interested. I guess oak and walnut and woods like that looks really cool. But yeah, it just ebonizes wood like that. And I'm actually thinking about doing a fretboard like that too. So anyway, yeah, it's basically just one steel wool, and I think it was about like a cup and a half or 2 cups of just plain old white vinegar, and just let it sit and stir it every now and then, and that's what you get. So pretty cool, huh? I mean, here, let me brush it on here real quick for you so you can see how quick it works and just how it looks. This is hard to do with one hand, but just dip that in there and check it out. You don't even really need that much, and just let it sit, man, and before your eyes you can see it turn. Pretty cool, huh? I bet that would look really cool on like a time lapse. But yeah, it's pretty amazing how dark it gets. That's how dark it got, like in the minute since I applied it. But yeah, it just gets really dark. Unbelievable. So pretty cool. Anyway, if you're looking for something like that, it almost looks burnt, doesn't it? So yeah, cool stuff. Thought I'd let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.